Number 18, and we are still on shoes, and we arrive at one of my favorites. I know I keep saying this, but that's why the Capsule wardrobe is so good, because just about all of those pieces are my favorites. Out of all the wardrobe available to us in the world, at number 18 is the riding boot. The flat boot that comes all the way up just below your knees. Good, classy pair of black riding boots. It's very European, it's a very London look. Picture this, you've got your navy blazer, you've got your white t-shirt, you've got your dark skinny jeans, you've got a little thin belt in between. If your t-shirt is tucked in, you don't have to tuck it in, and then you put your riding boots on. It actually just gives a very chic, extremely comfortable look. It doesn't matter where you're going. It could be a day out, it could be if you're doing a lot of walking, if you're a world traveler. It's a great pair of shoes to take with you because it looks good and it's comfortable. You can go shopping in the riding boot. So finishing at a very important number 18 is the long black flat riding boot.